Here's how to fix Hotspot not working on your iPhone. Now, if you're on your iPhone, you want to share your internet from your phone over to another device. I'll show you how to get that hotspot working. But first, hit the subscribe button down below. Really helps me out. Thanks, guys. Now, let's first just head into your control center by swiping down from the top right. And we will toggle on airplane mode. This disconnects from the Wi-Fi as well as your cell data. And then we're just going to turn it back off. You can see by going through this process, it will reconnect to my cell data. And a lot of times this fixes your hotspot. But if it doesn't, let's hop into the settings here. And you can see under cellular is personal hotspot. Now, if this is already on, all you need to do is toggle it off and then toggle it back on. This kind of resets everything. And at the very bottom, you can see maximize compatibility. I would recommend turning this on, especially if this is off and the other device that's trying to connect to your iPhone is a PC or an Android or something like that. It won't have a good time connecting to it. You do need to turn this on so that essentially other devices, no matter what it is, will be able to connect to your phone. Now, if you're still having issues, let's go back here and tap on cellular. Ultimately, that personal hotspot comes from your cell data. So what we're going to do is turn this line off. This disconnects from my cell signal, and then we're going to go in here and toggle it back on. This just basically reinitiates everything and turns my cell signal back on, and it should be up and running. The next thing we can do is tap on general here, and at the very bottom, we're going to hit shutdown. So just turn off your iPhone and shut it down and restart it. A lot of times this fixes issues. You'll be surprised how many times just turning your phone off and back on fixes issues, including that personal hotspot. Now, the next thing we can do is hit transfer or reset and tap on reset. And then reset network settings. By going through this process and entering the passcode, you can see it will delete all the network settings and return them back to factory default. This again will reset your personal hotspot and a lot of times fix any issues you have with your hotspot. If you go through this whole process and it's still not working, then ultimately I would recommend moving your phone to somewhere that you have better signal and making sure that it's not an issue with the signal itself on your iPhone. Essentially, when you set up a personal hotspot, it's using the 5G or LTE data from your phone to power a hotspot on another device. So your phone needs good and stable internet to be able to make that happen. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the like button down below and leave a comment if you still have any questions. Thanks, guys.